Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment because I had got these fast magna frames from Temu and they're SewTechs, and I wanted to get them set up because I want to use them. I have some backpacks and some lunch boxes to do, and this is their 6-in-1 setup, and they come with 2 sets of brackets. If you order them off of Temu or AliExpress or something, I believe they ask you what machine you have, and then they'll send you them separately. But when you order them just like this, it comes with 2 kinds of brackets, which these actually work for my PooLin EOX. But as a 6-in-1, it comes with, this is a 3x1, I believe. I'll post a picture of all the different sizes they come with. But there's this one. I'm going to have to write up here on here. But they has the main bracket that you put your clips in, and then you just add in whichever one of the magna frames that you want to use. It's super tight magnet, but it's a lot easier than using sticky stabilizer or whatever. Then you just have this set up and then you poop it and then you're good to go. So I just wanted to go over on how you would set this up in your PooLin EOX or by whatever, because you have to go into your main settings and then you would go into parameters. So I am just going to pull this, the main part, so we can get our brackets attached to it. There's really no instructions on how to set this up and where to attach everything. So I reached out to the company and they sent me a video which was very helpful, and that's what I'm going to use to help set mine up. But I am going to use this mighty hoop that I got with my machine. Woo! Because it's roughly the same size here, but I just want to know where to really attach these at. So I am going to center it, leave 2 holes on each side, and go from there. It comes with your screws and such. What we are going to do, I'm going to loosen this thumb screw. These magnets are strong. Okay, so what you want to do is get you a ruler and some paper. The video I watched, they used stabilizer, but why waste stabilizer? Just put a piece of paper over it. And then you are going to hoop it. And make sure you are as center as possible. Okay, so what we are going to look for is our 0. So this right here, there's a little notch right there. So we are going to line this up on that center notch. As close as possible and make a line. And we're going to line up from center to center here. So we have our center point. And now we're going to go to the machine. Okay, now that we're at the machine, I'm going to place this in, and I just realized I put that in backwards. And I bet you all were like, hey, Shannon, stop. Let me take a moment and flip those around. Okay, now we can get started. Okay, that clicks in. That feels a little... Okay, so it is saying that this... Let's go to needle. Needle 15 is what aligns to center. So let's pick that. And go back. Now let's we are trying to line up needle 15 center on that X in the center there, okay? So we're just going to move this left and right until we get as close to this center mark as possible. I think that's close enough. So, okay, once you believe that you are at center, you can hit this little button over here on your screen. It has the 100, and what it's going to do is it's going to take a little poke. Let's go back over here and see we are just a smidge off. So I am going to, nope, wrong way. Let's take another poke. You gotta have your needle down. Oh, that is almost like I'm gonna turn my laser off for right now. Because it's a little distracting. Okay. Let's go just a smidge. Pull this back down. If your presser foot, when you do this and it gets stuck and you're like, I don't know how to get it up, it's that 100 button. They're so close. Oh, I think I just went the wrong way. No, we are dead on. Okay. So now what you want to do after you've got your center is you want to take down the PX and the PY numbers. That is your X center and that is your Y center. We'll write those down and then we'll go into the parameters and add those in. So we want to go into parameters, go into frame, and now we want to go into custom. Okay, and we'll go into T3, and this is your X center and your Y center. So we want to put in these numbers in those. So our X center was 87.7, so we are going to round up, click the 0. So 87.7 will be 88, and OK. Now, if your machine had a negative, then you would make sure that you put your negative in. Mine is 2.1, so it will be 2, and OK. And then the X size, this is what I done was I printed off the sheet from the website, and this is the 5x7. So we'll put it in millimeters, so that's X is this way, so 127. Y axis will be 178. Okay. Your R is for rotation, and we are not rotating, so I'm going to leave that at 0 and hit save. Okay, for 5x7, it says that this should be 130. And this should be 180. Might as well give us the extra millimeters. Okay, and leave that at 0. And there we go. So now, if we start all the way from the beginning, and we pick a pattern, let's pick a built-in pattern. Let's say we are going to stitch out one and hit save. Configure, go into frame. We're going to go into custom because that's where we put this frame, and it is T3. I'm assuming it's this one. Alright, I should have, okay. Let's back up so you can see. And it is in the center. So that is how you do it.